Hello class, this is your teacher Joshua Maxwell giving you a quick tutorial on Soundtrack Pro is what we'll be working with today. You don't have to open it up. What you want to do is open up Final Cut Pro. Now here I have a project that I'm working on for a client out of Texas that does a Christian seminar on sex and modern culture. And when we set everything up, and we got an audio line out of the board, we had some audio discrepancies. We had some fuzz. I think you'll be able to hear it just by me pushing play.
A music artist, John Mayer. Any of you know
some
who
buzz
he is?
In the background.
Familiar with this music? I mean, not a good, bad thing. Just deep.
And we're going to take it out. What you want to do is select your in point by hitting I and then O in Final Cut Pro for your out point. Get the portion of it that you want to take the hiss or the buzz or the hum or the noise out. Select it and go File, Export using QuickTime Conversion. Now, we're just going to take the audio. So when the save comes up, we have it in the Ultimate Illusion exactly where I want it. And I'm going to name this JMC 369 because I know to throw it away later. On the format, I'm going to select AIFF, which is the Apple code. Click on Save. Save. Okay, now once that's finished, open up Soundtrack Pro. And what we're going to do is we're going to go File, Open, JMC 369, and there it is. You have both your left and your right channels. Now this is zoomed in, kind of close, which is good because what we're going to do is,
any of you know who he is?
We can still hear the hiss. So what we're going to do is we're going to select the portion where the speaker is not speaking. Just get the hiss. There it is. That's good. Now, what we're going to tell Soundtrack to do is to cancel out that noise. So we have to select the noise first. Then we're going to go Process, Noise Reduction, Set Noise Print. You're setting the noise to take out. Now once you do that, select all of the entire sequence by clicking and dragging and selecting all of it. Process, Noise Reduction, Reduce Noise. Now it still hasn't done anything yet. Because what you can do is click over here, hit the space bar to play it.
Some of you are familiar with a...
well, it has done something, but it sounds a little fuzzy, so you mess with it just a little bit.
Some of you are familiar with a...
Sounds like he's kind of in a hole. So let's go over here.
Familiar with a music artist, John Mayer.
That sounds pretty good. Hit Apply. It'll come over here and reduce the noise.
Any of you know who he is?
And there you go. What you want to do is go File, Save As. I'm going to save it as the same thing, but I'm not going to save it as an audio file project. I'm going to save it as an AIFF file. Save, replace it because it's named the exact same thing. Then I'm going to go back into Final Cut Pro. There is a way, click up here in your bin, Import, Files. Now there is a way that you can get it to replace your entire file. And I have done that before. I do not know how to do that now. Line it up. There you go. Now listen to the before and after. Noise, and then...
Some of you are familiar with a music
noise.
artist, John Mayer. Any of you know who he is? Familiar with this music? I mean, not a good, bad thing. Just, do you know who John Mayer is?
And there it is again.
Okay, several of you.
Now it sounds a little bit like he's in a hole, so we need to adjust it a little bit more. But of everything that I've shown my students, I hear more about this than I do anything else that I teach you guys. Getting good audio is very, very difficult, especially when you have somebody else running the audio board that doesn't know what they're doing, because that's most of the people that run audio boards, in my humble opinion. You just don't know enough about capturing good audio for video. That is all of this one. talk to you guys later.